Welcome to Traveling Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting video related on Mosede Fort is a historical fortification located in the town of Solrød, Denmark. It was built in 1912 to 1914 as a part of Denmark's coastal defense system and play a significant role in country defense during Second World War. Today the fort is open to the public as a museum and cultural center, offering exhibition, guided tour and event. In Denmark, just only one fort is available, and that one is a Mosede Fort, and we are exploring now this one. So here is a tank machine they are using in Second World War. The fort built in 1920. Here some of the images are available. 1917 some US based military also coming here, but they are writing in Danish language. So मस्त है यार. The remaining information available on Google, and this one is free. Here washroom also available.
ला सकते क्या जूते से ऊपर टिकट उटिकट
Hey.
ऐसा लगता नहीं किला है. अंदर जाता है. आपको कैसे लगेगी आप अंदर
देखिए यहाँ पर तो
उधर से आ सकते.
The fort size is very small. Something new if you are living in Denmark. Then you come here. This is not tourist attraction, but front of the fort, beautiful sea is available.
ये क्या होगा? लेट के मारना। यहाँ पे मेरे को टोप लगी होगी। हाँ?
So many big ships are coming here for the transportation. The food. (1920) the picture, 7 November 1980. And the Mosede Fort parking. Here the parking is absolutely free, and so big parking is available here. So if you are coming during the holiday season, so you can get very easily the parking spot here. Here is a 3 block, and one more block is here. So around one block, 100 cars you can park very easily. So meanwhile I park my car here like this. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.